Hey guys, so today I am doing mixing my toothpaste. Like I showed you guys, this is my stash where I keep all my new stuff that I have to review. Like I told you on previous videos, like I come in here, like things that I buy, and I showed you guys, and then even if I did or did not, and I put them in here to show you guys. This is the bin where I dump every single thing in here, and I take it as I go and I review it with you guys. So today we are going to do this Barbie toothpaste and then the Colgate one. Okay, two different ones. So let's go. As you can see here, we have ginger. This is the organic ginger, you guys. So yeah, and then I have the regular one, so it really doesn't matter which one you use. And I have baking soda, I have cloves, and I have apple cider vinegar. You want the mother, so yeah, you want this one. Okay, and then I have these two bowls here. This one is done. This is the one Eddie uses, and it's finished. Okay, so now we are going to mix some so that it will last us for a while. You guys, I do know this is for kids, but hey, I'm going to use this for now. Alright, so you guys, so we're gonna use, do Eddie's on first. Like I said on my previous, this is no measurement or anything. I just eyeball it and I go on, you guys. So no particular order or anything like that, So again, like I said, this is for kids, you guys. But I just want to try the Barbie bubblegum flavor because everybody talking about it and stuff like that. So yeah, I just want to try it and see. So I don't have no girl in my house besides me, so why not try it, and do a DIY with it. So toothpaste is fluoride free, cavity, so it's a good toothpaste. So okay, so you guys, I have this, and I'm going to do baking soda. Look at my spoon, y'all. So I'm gonna do that just like that, and I'm gonna do gloves. Again, just eyeball it, do your dry ingredients first, you guys, before you do your wet ingredients. So I'm gonna use regular regular ginger, just in case if you don't have it. You can either use both. You don't have to, use just organic if you don't have yeah. Okay, so I just brought this out just to show you, like, you can use either or of the yeah. So now that I have this now, so now let's do the Barbie one, so that we can use the spoon for the apple cider. So okay, so now let's pour this one, and basically that's it, y'all. Look how cute that is, y'all. Yes, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute. Yes, I'm a girl, I'm a Barbie. You know that song, Barbie song? Remember that Barbie song that came on, y'all? Yeah. So look at that color. Ooh, I made the right choice, y'all. I made the right choice. You guys, the reason why I'm using this big bowl, my son is a mess when it comes to brushing his teeth, So I want him to have enough space to dip his toothbrush in there, because Lord knows I be struggling with him Oh my God, be all up in his sink, and you have to clean up after him. You know what I mean? If you have kids, you'll know what I'm talking about. So you guys, yes, don't come on here and say, why are you using this Barbie toothpaste? Because I want to. Because I want to, yeah. I want to feel the Barbie sensation, you guys. I sure do. Okay, you guys, so I use all of this. Okay, you can comment like, how much are you gonna, yeah, I'm gonna use every damn thing of it. Okay, I have this extra toothpaste, you guys, and this was in my pocket for my job, so why not? I'm gonna dip it in here and put it in there. I'm not wasting it. Okay, I'm making use of it. Very, very demure. Very, very considerate. Okay? And if you're watching this video, I will just laugh and say, oh my God, commentate. What's the word? Commentation? Okay. Whatever that word is. Okay? So now, so let's do the same thing before we use the big spoon for our, see that? I'm going to use baking soda and eyeball your gloves. Just like that. Okay? Put your gloves in. Put your ginger in. This is the ginger. Put your ginger in. Okay? So now we are going to put the apple cider in each, bowl. Just 1 spoon is enough. You saw that, right? This was the perfect bowl, you guys, so I don't have to transfer anything like I did in that first video. I mean, in that bowl, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna dip that one in here, and we're not wasting anything, guys. We are not. So you guys, this is gonna last my son for a few weeks before buying another toothpaste. But you guys, when I tell you the purpose of all of this is for cavity, whitening teeth, and everything else, you know what I mean? So yes, if you have kids, you know exactly. I mean, this is not just kids, because I use it too, but you know, kids eat candy and all of that, soda, they drink soda, and you know, trying to prevent cavity, you know. So that's the purpose of me doing this video. Okay, guys, so now let's mix this Barbie one here. So you guys remember I put 2 different toothpastes in here, so that's why it's looking like that. This, I put 2 of them in here. If you watch the video, you will see. Okay, so that is it, guys. So you guys, this is my toothpaste, and this will last me for a few weeks, a month. You know, because the reason I said a few weeks, because I brush my teeth twice a day. So yeah, see there, very mindful, very demure, very economic, you know, try to save money, you know. So do this, you guys, and let me know in the comments what you think. Yes, this is Eddie's. I'm gonna pour this in here and wash this container for something else. Yes, we are not gonna be wasting nothing here, okay? Like I said, we're not wasting nothing here. Mix everything, and we are done. And this is Eddie's toothpaste every single morning. And you guys, when I say you see their teeth is so clean, you know what I mean? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys comment and tell me if you try this and how you think about it. Would you use it and stuff? I mean, these are all natural stuff. I mean, it won't harm you or anything. It has a whole great benefit out of it. So yeah, so if it didn't work for me, I would never show you guys this recipe. So yeah, so you guys, I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, watch out for a couple videos coming out your way, you all. So yeah, so that is it, guys. I have a whole bunch in here that will last me a lot. So you guys, that is it for this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting this channel. I will see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye bye now.